I just wanted to start my Husqvarna weed whacker 128 LD, and it started, but then it sounded like something was rubbing inside the starter paw here. So then I starting again, and this thing just popped out. Will not go back in. So we'll tear this apart, see what's wrong. All right, so we'll open this up together. I had to remove the 3 T25 forks. Okay, when I pulled that out, that sucked it back in. But what does that mean? I don't know why. Throw my fingers. I'm trying to work without a tripod right here. This seems to be pulling in fine. See any weird wear marks there. Yeah, so here's the parts that fell out. You get only one paw, but I think this is supposed to have something on the back side right here. See how it's kind of broken off there? So I think that part's missing. I'll have to order a couple new starter paws, which unfortunately means I'm not going to be weed whacking or hedge trimming today, which is one of the major tasks I had to do today. So I don't know, maybe we'll find another project to work on. We'll see. Essentially, this piece right here broke off. It's supposed to go through here, have a C-clip in the back side, and have a spring in there to kind of keep that out until you pull the starter, and these lobes right here will engage in those springs. So essentially went on Amazon. They had some pretty cheap, import knockoff parts, but all the reviews were kind of crap. They could break after one use. So I went ahead and purchased the actual Husqvarna part for like 23 bucks. So it's got 2 paws. In fact, this string trimmer, one of the paws here broke off probably 3 years ago. And I've been really taking it easy with one paw only for the past 3 years. Just starting it real slow, pulling it slow, and it's survived. We're going to pull off the broken one, so it's all full assembly. I believe it's a standard right-handed thread, so we're just going to take our impact. If you don't have an impact, you're probably going to have to pull the spark plug out and stick some rope inside the spark plug hole so that you can get a wrench on here and turn it without turning the motor over. So with an impact, it kind of, it will force its way through and kind of impact, loosen this up. So here we go. There we go. Again, if you didn't have the impact, you can try with just a wrench on there or a socket, but most likely the engine's just going to rotate on you, and then you're going to have to put the rope in there anyway. So we'll tighten it back up. Sorry, everything's falling off the table here. My finger's blocking the camera. Sorry about that. So anyway, that's the install of that. We will reinstall the starter. Make sure just going to give it a pull. Okay, I feel like grabbing right now, so it's doing what it's supposed to do. Reinstall those 3 T25 torque screws and be done. All right, let's give it a go, see if it works. This machine choke on, there's a primer in here. Push that a few times, and usually it starts on the 3rd pull or so. There we go. Husqvarna 128 LD starter recoil paw assembly replacement. Done.